How to use mnemonics to improve your memory. Mnemonics are memory tools that help you learn and remember information more easily. Examples include songs, acronyms, rhymes, acrostics, keyword associations, spelling aids, and alliteration. Mnemonics aid in learning large amounts of information, remembering information sequentially, and memorizing abstract concepts. They work by linking to existing knowledge, appealing to humor or emotions, and taking creative routes to learning. Research shows that mnemonics can improve learning and recall by 20%. Musical mnemonics use songs to aid in learning and recall, such as the alphabet song. Rhyme mnemonics use rhymes and poems to remember information, like the spelling rule I before E. Acronyms and acrostics use the first letters of items to form words or phrases, such as Roigbiv for rainbow colors. Keyword mnemonics use keywords and visual cues to create associations, like pegging flat to latitude. Spelling mnemonics help with spelling difficult words, such as George Edward's old grandma rode a pig home yesterday for geography. Alliteration mnemonics associate words with another word starting with the same letter, like sophisticated Sylvie. Mnemonics can be used to remember historical events, laws of physics, names, passwords, and more. Existing mnemonics can be found online, or you can create your own for a more meaningful association. Making your own mnemonics improves your chances of remembering the information. Mnemonics are powerful tools for improving memory and can be applied to various types of information.